I'm Rich Noonan from Best to the Best, a program in which we travel all over America in search of our nation's best businesses. And we have found one of them today.
Today on Best to the Best, congratulations! If you're watching this video right now, you have found Augerpros, the plumbing and drain specialists in this part of Texas, now three-time winners of the National Best to the Best Award for Customer Satisfaction 2022-23 and our latest honor in 2024. And if you're watching this video in 2025, rest assured you have found the best of the best. A fantastic Texas family business that was built on three things: honesty, integrity, and experience. Nobody at Augerpros in Allen, Texas hired us to produce this video. The owner is a great guy, an industry veteran named Jerry Schrader. Jerry had no idea we were doing it. At Best to the Best, we do a ton of research on companies that have great customer reviews for years without telling the owners. If we like what we see, we profile the company. We know that gives our videos a heck of a lot more credibility than anything else out there. And we have loved the story of Augerpros for years now. Simply put, the first call you should make if you have a plumbing or drain issue should be to Augerpros. If you want the best, if you want a fair price, if you want it done right by a true pro, just call Augerpros. We've read hundreds of reviews about this company over years now, and this team goes above and beyond consistently. Augerpros has a very broad range of services. They do all kinds of general plumbing, slab leaks, water heaters, water, gas, sewer line repair and replacement, drain cleaning. They repair lots of toilets and garbage disposals, faucets, you name it. Augerpros has always stayed on the cutting edge. They embrace new products. They have ongoing training. They have great financing options, which are so helpful to so many customers who want to pay for a plumbing project over time, not all at once. But like most great companies, the Augerpros story has always been much more about people than products and services. Jerry could not be more proud of his team, and he should be proud. Listen to this. When we did this video in December of 2024, Augerpros had over 1,200 five-star reviews on Google alone. Remember, recent reviews matter. 4 days before we did this video, Sarah posted this review about Augerpros. She said, "Absolute great experience with Augerpros. Very professional, great communication, on time, great cleanup. I would recommend them to anyone." The same day, Alexis posted this review. It pretty much sums it up for us. Alexis said, "They rock. Use them, period." Please read the reviews for yourself like we have for years. You'll be impressed like we are. Augerpros has had an A+ rating from the Better Business Bureau for years with 0 complaints and scores of awesome 5-star reviews on their BBB profile. We almost never see that. Most people only contact the BBB to complain about a company, not praise it. Augerpros is a great company in every way. Congratulations to everyone at Augerpros, a great American family business in Allen, Texas, and now three-time winner of the National Best of the Best Award for Customer Satisfaction 22-23 and our latest honor in 2024, and they'll likely win again at the end of 25 when those awards are announced. Because at Augerpros, they only know how to do business one way like they have for so many years. The right way. Congratulations, everyone. You earned it again.